I started in aesthetic medicine way back in 1999. And back then I thought, hey, buying a laser hair removal would be a fun thing to do. And that's where we started. And then I started injecting Botox when that came out and was FDA approved. And then I remember there was nobody to train us back then. One day I was doing appellate resources. I was on faculty and they started doing a cadaver program. And I got to be faculty for one of the very first cadaver programs they did. And I sat next to Jonathan Sykes, and I was to his right, and I'm looking at what he's doing. He dissected and showed anatomy, and I was showing how I inject on another cadaver, cephalus. And I was looking at the dissections, and my mind was blown. I had no idea where the origins to some of those muscles were till I saw the origins on the bone. And I thought, oh my gosh, that's where we should be injecting deep. Nobody's talking about depth. Nobody. I had like a dream that someday I would love to run intimate small group workshops out of our beautiful little hometown, but having people come to this retreat, sort of like camp feel. They come as strangers, but they all end up leaving as friends.